Hi friend, today I am with Poco X7. In this video we are going to talk about the hardware, software and the camera overview. In this smartphone we are getting a 6.67-inch AMOLED curved display with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and the resolution of this device is 1.5K. It comes with the brightness of 3000 nits brightness. It has a refresh rate of 120Hz and touch sampling rate of 240Hz. It has the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra, which is a 4 nanometer chipset. It is clocked at 2.8 GHz. The RAM comes with the LPDDR4X. It is a 8 GB RAM what we got with this smartphone, and the memory is UFS 2.0, which is a 256 GB model. It has a 3 camera module setup at the back with LED flash. We are getting the SIM card slot in the bottom. We are also getting the Type-C charging port, which supports 45 watt of turbo charging. It comes with the battery of 5500 mAh. It comes with the dual SIM support, both 5G support, and also the smartphone comes with dual speaker. It has a curved display, so it is little different from Poco X7 Pro. It looks pretty much premium in hand while holding. The company has claimed that it will give 3 years of Android update and 4 years of security patch in this smartphone. On the side we are getting the power button and the volume rocker keys. In the front we are getting the selfie camera. Let's go to the setting first. In that I go to the about phone. Here we will get the software and the hardware features. The smartphone is running on Android 14. The company has claimed that Android 15 is on the way, so definitely you will get that very soon. If you go to the details specs, you are getting a 4 GB of memory expansion. Even the hardware I already told you. It comes with a 256 GB storage module. In this, you go to the additional settings. In that, you will see the memory extension where you can change it to 4 GB to 8 GB maximum and 6 GB in the middle. Once you do that, it will reboot, and in that also, let's go and check the settings back again. We are getting few more things in this, but before that I will show you the detailed specs info. Here you can see it is changed to 8 plus 8 GB, where 8 GB is the memory extension. And once you do that, the smartphone will reboot, so don't get hyper that why it is happening, and it is very easy to do. Now the smartphone also comes with few more features, like I will definitely show you. It comes with the casting support. It has the Xiaomi Share. This smartphone doesn't have the NFC like the Poco X7 Pro. In the lock screen we are getting few more things. It includes raise to wake, double tap to wake or turn off. It has the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is the in-display fingerprint sensor, which I will show you. The registration can be done very easily, and you can register your finger. Once it is done, you are ready to play. Now first you have to draw the pattern. Once the pattern is drawn, you are in it, and then it will ask for the fingerprint add-on. I will definitely recommend you guys to register multiple fingerprints, because sometimes one finger doesn't take. The screen guard is already applied in this smartphone from the company directly, so this is also a good thing which company is offering. Now after adding the fingerprint, you can also add the face unlock in this smartphone. Currently you can see I am just adding the second finger also, because sometimes one finger doesn't work, the other will be on a backup thing. And now we will go and add the face unlock in this, and you can also change the fingerprint animation. There are 4 options of it. Which one you like, you can place it on. Low light fingerprint unlock is also available. So start face unlock. First you have to do the pattern. Just go in it, choose to the pattern. It will ask to add the face. It will take some time, but once it is in, it will take the face, and the face unlock works very smoothly on the low light scenarios also. Here you can see I have an obstacle in the front, still it recognizes my face and it is done. Now in that also, stay on the lock screen. I will switch it off. Allow to unlock when the lights up. Now I will show you how the fingerprint unlock works, and it works very smoothly. Even the face unlock also, it hardly takes a second to unlock the smartphone. So definitely it is a useful feature, and I will definitely recommend you guys to use both fingerprint and face unlock at the same time. Smartphone comes with the AMOLED display, which means that always on display is also present, and if you tap on always on display, you have to go in that and you get too many patterns on it. First you have to switch the always on display to get it on the top, and it works smoothly. I will just pick it one kaleidoscope one randomly, and let's apply it and see how it takes the effect. It is applied instantly, and here you can see it looks very cool and definitely useful at the same time. Now we are also getting a launch camera. If you double tap, if you press the power button once, it will ask go to the Gemini thing. So Gemini is also integrated in the smartphone. You don't have to install separately for that. If you go to the display and brightness, here there's dark mode, light mode. There are some couple of color scheme options. The vivid is recommended, then there is saturated, standard. If you go to the advanced setting, you can change the RGB color, saturation value, contrast. You can customize complete things according to your need. And also if you talk about the refresh rate, it has a 60 Hz and 120 Hz refresh rate, where I am putting it in default, where it will dynamically switch to 60 to 120 Hz, which is definitely useful, and it will also consume less battery at the same time. It's also said that it will be releasing few of the AI updates that includes the AI Erase Pro, AI expansion and AI enhancement by the January end, so that you guys can use it. These updates are coming very soon. Now let's check out few more things of the smartphone. So also getting the theft protection. Here it is. You can go and you can use the theft detection lock, and the offline device lock is also present. Remote lock can be also done. It will ask you to enter the phone number, verify your phone number, and also find and erase your device. It comes with a battery of 5500 mAh. There are charging options where you can have a speed up and also a standard charging. Then there is battery protection, where you can see the battery health, temperature and the battery charging cycle. Even you can optimize the charging also. Battery protection is also available, and there are a few more additional features which include the 5G battery saver, night mode, cold endurance mode. These are the few things which you are getting with the battery. Now let's talk about the camera. It comes with the 50 megapixel camera at the back with f1.59. It also has the OIS plus EIS. It comes with the 8 megapixel 120 degree ultra wide camera. It also has a macro camera at the back with LED flash. So this is the camera setup at the back. If you go to the front side, in the front we are getting a 20 megapixel camera with aperture f2.2. This camera can be also useful for taking the selfies and also face unlock at the same time. Now let's check out some of the camera features what we are getting with the Poco X7. The first thing in the camera app, you will see that there are modes which you usually used to see. Then the first one is the Pro mode, which will give you the white balance, focus, and also give you the shutter speed option, ISO option, and exposure option. This can be changed. Even it has wide and ultra wide options to coming with some of the filters, and there is also saturation, contrast and sharpness. This can be also changed from your end. Now jumping to the document, here we are getting a 0.6x, 1x and 2x zooming options, and on the top you are getting original, black and white and enhanced mode to take the click of the document, scan the documents, which is also useful. And in the video we are getting a few options when that you have a resolution option maximum up to 4K, which can be changed also. Then there is frame rate option, maximum is 60 fps, 24 fps and 30 fps present. There is macro mode present. Steady shoot mode is also present. Even the motion tracking focus is given. So these are the few things which you are getting. There is teleprompter mode. Those who like to use the teleprompter making a screen video, this is very helpful for those. And then if we jump to the photo mode, the photo mode comes with few more things. It offers even the SDR is present, Google Lens is also present in the photo mode. Then we have the option to get the AI camera on. There is also aspect ratio can be changed, grid lines, timer, shutter time. Dynamic shots are also available. Even then there is macro, which I am switching it on, and there is shutter type. Motion focus is also, motion tracking is also present. You can take the watermarks of the pictures. Then there is smart suggestion for document scanning and scan QR code. And there is HEIF format, which I definitely recommend always to go with. The picture quality should be high to get the best result. In the selfie settings, you are getting the mirror front camera and adjust the makeup for men. and there is also image stabilization. Additional shutter is also present. Auto frame rate should be on. The video encoder can be also changed. So these are the few settings. It depends on the user how it wants. Currently I don't want a shutter sound, so I'm just switching it off. And then there is a portrait mode. We are getting the two things in the portrait mode. This menu is specially full body mode, or if you want a half body mode, you can click with that. Even there is beautify also present, so even you can change the aperture too. So these are the settings what you are getting in the portrait mode. And there is night mode. Then if you go to the mode, there is 50 megapixel camera, panorama, slow mo, dual video shot, time lapse, AI watermark, long exposure. You can color the icons or change it into a black and white. In this you can also get the AI watermark, which is also useful. Currently I don't like a watermark in my shots, and if you like it, definitely use them. If you like the black and white icons, you can go and play it around. And there is a SDR mode. So this is all about the camera features in the app what we are getting. Talking about the gallery, in the gallery we are getting few more options. It includes the AI Erase Pro, AI expansion, and AI enhancement. These all features are coming very soon by the January end for this smartphone, and you guys can check it out in the meanwhile. Now I have clicked some pictures using the smartphone Poco X7. You guys can check it out. So this was all about the Poco X7 hardware, software, AI features. Some have already given, some are coming, and also the camera features what we are getting with this smartphone. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.